Welcome to this video on planning and implementing blended learning using an LMS in CIDOS with a blended learning distribution table. In this video, we'll explore how I design my teaching and learning using this approach to create an effective and engaging learning experience by integrating technology to enhance education. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly recap what blended learning is. Blended learning combines traditional face-to-face teaching with online learning through an LMS. This approach offers flexibility, personalization, and enhanced engagement for both students and teachers. To effectively plan and execute blended learning lessons, I utilize a tool called the Blended Learning Distribution Table, or BLDT. This table helps me balance the distribution of various learning modalities such as online, offline, and face-to-face activities to optimize learning outcomes. As you can see, it consists of different columns and rows representing the learning modalities and time distribution. By using this table, I can allocate the appropriate time for each learning modality based on the specific needs of my lesson. For this class, I have allocated 32% of the total time for blended learning activities. Based on the learning objectives and content, I have distributed 68%, about 38 hours for face-to-face interaction, 4%, 2 hours for synchronous activities, 12%, 14 hours for asynchronous activities, and 4%, 2 hours for e-assessment. After planning, the implementation stage begins, utilizing the LMS diverse features to facilitate online interaction, create engaging lessons, deliver content, organize discussion, and assess learning. It helps structure the learning journey, ensuring a logical flow of concepts and activities. Students can access material anytime, anywhere, and actively participate in collaborative activities, fostering a dynamic and interactive learning environment. For asynchronous activities, where students can engage at any time outside of class hours, I have provided TikTok and Flipgrid as the main tools. In these activities, I ask students to summarize the lesson content on specific lessons. I have noticed that students respond well to interactive media content and engaging verbal explanation rather than traditional writing exercises. This dynamic platform allows students to create captivating videos and participate in interactive discussion, expressing their thoughts, ideas, and opinions using their own voice. I also utilize other supplementary tools like Padlet and forum discussions, where students can provide opinion and engage in discussions related to the current topic. For synchronous learning, the main platform I use is Microsoft Teams. This online platform is well suited for interactive communication and effective learning. My approach is student-centered learning, focusing on delivering impactful facts while providing opportunities for students to complete activities. Another activity that really allows students to learn on their own is the lesson activity. In this activity, students go through the material for selected subtopic in advance at their own pace. I encourage my students to do this activity on their own because it is straightforward, modularized, and offers self-assessment to help them solidify their understanding of the topic. One of the most valuable features of the LMS is its capability to track student progress. I can view their quiz scores, assignment submission, and overall engagement with the course. This enables me to identify students who may be struggling and offer timely support. As part of this plan, I have included 3 quizzes at the end of each topic to assess their understanding of the respective topics. And there you have it. By using the blended learning distribution table and leveraging the features of the LMS, I can design and implement effective blended learning lessons. This approach promotes flexibility, engagement, and personalization ultimately enhancing the learning experience of my students.